Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can show or hide rulers for your designs on Figma. So let us get started. Head over to your design or project on Figma. So let me head over to that website design here. For the sake of this tutorial, let me also zoom out a bit for better overview purposes. So guys, what you want to do is click into that Figma icon or symbol in the top left corner to access your main menu. After that, hover your mouse overview here. And to the right, select rulers or use the shortcut Shift R on your keyboard. And there you go. As you can see, now these rulers are visible. So you may click into them, adjust them, for example, by moving them here or there. And there you go. And you can do that with the ruler here to the left as well to adjust the custom ruler. Just like that, guys. So to hide these, simply again, click on that Figma icon in the top left to access your main menu, hover your mouse overview. And disable rulers, or use the shortcut Shift R. So let me do that really quickly. Shift R, and there you go. Rulers are now hidden, as you can see. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.